Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tricks in Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick which you can use in a square problem. Let me read out the question. How many squares in a square? Pause this video to solve it. Let's get started. Okay, you might ask me that it's so hard or even it takes a lot of time. If it was in an exam paper and you have to do it quickly, how do you do it? Well, this is the trick. If if this question is asked to you, don't worry. My trick will actually be so useful. Okay. So what's the trick? Before that, before the trick, let me tell you the answer. The answer is 30. How did we get that? Let me show you. Okay, but before that, you need to know the grid by grid squares. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4 grid. And because it's a 4 by 4 grid, it's square. Okay, it's a square. So it's a 4 by 4 grid. I'm going to write in a text with a different color, in a green color. I'm going to write 4 by 4, which means 4 times it by 4. After this, the next step is to make this smaller. Once you do that, cut off this diagonal. No, wait, sorry. Yeah, cut off this the once I did like the 4 by 4 thing which I showed, just cut out that, so that squares are cut out. The next step is this gets smaller because after then you have a 3 by 3 then, which means you have another 3 by 3. See this pattern, 4 by times by 4, then plus 3 times it by 3. As you see, it's a 3 times it by 3 now. And after that, wait, I just need to get this here. After this, as we cut out this also, that's 2 by 2, right? So wait, I'll just get, wait, okay, so we get a 2 by 2, and at last there's always a 1. See, this part is, there is always a 1 here. See, 4 by 4, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1. You know the pattern, what I'm doing. See, that's how. Now that's a 3 by 3, then there's a 2 by 2. Using this pattern, then also plus by 1, 1. See the pattern. First I did 4 times it by 4, then plus by 3 times it by 3, plus then by 2 times it by 2, then plus by 1 times it by 1. Okay. The answer is 30, which I told. So 4 times it by 4 is 16, plus 3 times it by 3 is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25, plus 2 times by 2 is 4, plus 25 plus 4 is 29, plus 1 is 30. So 30 is the answer when you calculate. And let me explain how this works, this formula works. Now Control C V, let me just tell you. Now reverse this. Instead of 4 times it by 4 first, we do 1 times it by 1 first, okay? And after just solve it. Wait, let me just tell you. 1 times it by 1 first. The same, but except we do 4 times it by 4, 2 1 times it by 1. Now we are doing 1 times it by 1, 2 4 times it by 4, plus 2 times it by 2, plus 3 times it by 3, oh no wait, and plus by 4 times it by 4. And let me choose different color. Let me just make the square, I can say is to make this smaller. Let me erase all of the dots and make the rectangle smaller. It takes time. Let me just erase quickly. These are the drawings. Phew, finally. Let me just wait. Let me just take all of these codes. Let me just reset. So, I just made it smaller. And now I will show you what I did, because why did I like did the one times it by 1 to 4 times it by 4, or 4 times it by 2 1 times it by. Now see the pattern what I am doing. First, let's see how many 1 times it by 1 are there. 1 times it by 1 by 1 squares. You know it. 1 2 3. Okay, let me choose the color. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. We know 16. Yeah, no, it's 16. Yeah, that is 16 squares, which is same as 4 times it by 4. So instead of 4 times it by 4, I will write 16. See, how many 1 times it by 1 are there? 4 times it by 4. Okay, then let's choose another different color. This time, how many 2 times it by 2s are there? 2 2s are there. There is 1. Well, there's a 1 here. Then that's a 2 here. Then that's a 3 here. That's 3. Then a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 9. Okay, which is the same as 3 times it by 3. Look, this pattern actually works. Okay, then after this, 2 times it by 2. Wait, yeah, just there are 4. Okay, there are 4, and we know, because let me just show you. 1 2 3 and 4. See, and how many 4 times it by 4 are there? 1, because the whole thing, this whole thing is a 1. See, this pattern really works. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.